In this video, I'm going to teach you how to make simple vanilla cake without oven and mixer. So I melted my butter and I'm going to be adding my sugar to it. So I'm just going to mix my melted butter and my sugar together. So this is a simple vanilla cake you can make in few minutes. So the next thing I'm going to be adding now is my eggs. So I'm going to mix my eggs with my sugar and my melted butter mixture. So I went ahead and added my liquid milk to it. So I'm going to add my vanilla to it, then start adding my dry ingredients. I already mixed my dry ingredients together. The flour, the baking powder, and baking soda are already mixed together. So I'm just going to fold this in. So I just added the last batch of my dry ingredients. You can see how simple it is to make this cake. Within few minutes the batter is ready. So I already greased my pan with my butter and spread my parchment paper on it. So I'm just going to be pouring this inside my pan. Then I'm going to place it. I'm going to teach you how you can bake without oven. So I'm just going to place this inside my pan. So I use a 7 inches pan for this. bake to bake without an oven, this is the gas I'm going to be using for this. So I'm just going to be placing my salt inside my pot, then I'm going to cover it to heat up for few minutes. Then I'm going to open it and place my pan on it. Then make sure you reduce your gas or your cooker, whatever you are using, to very low heat so that it doesn't burn your cake. So I'm going to cover it, then leave it to bake for at least 15 minutes on low heat. So after 15 minutes, I opened it. I'm just going to be placing a toothpick inside. When it come out dry, you know that the cake is ready. So you can see our cake is ready. So this is how you can bake without a mixer and without oven. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video.